Okay, let's go.
You want to play a toy? Oh goodness, what's that? What's this?
She's very curious about the camera. Okay, there.
Oh, good girl. Good girl. Here. Oh, goodness.
About that noisemaker.
That's so
But she's not really afraid of it. She just wants to check it out in the camera.
Oh, yes, a good girl. Here. Oh. Wow. Come here. Oh, it's a good girl. She fetches.
Oh, she just retrieves beautifully.
Oh, let's see. Oh, there we go. Very good. Very good. No problem being on her back. And pinch your toes. And pinch your toes. And pinch your toes. That's fine. Don't mind. Wow! You did that! Good job! Good job! What's this one? What's this one, huh? This one's different. There! What do you think about that one? That looks like a fort to me. What do you think? Hmm? Yeah? Oh, we're supposed to do this one. You're kind of little to do the dominance thing. Yes. You don't seem to mind.
No, she's not resisting.
Nope.